Hi students, I'm Anuj sir from AJNext Mumbai. Starting 21st of December, we are going to be putting lectures for CA Inter Paper 3 Cost and Management Accounting on our YouTube channel. Which lectures we are going to be putting? These are the lectures that currently we are doing. These are the lectures from our latest books that are there. First 2 chapters we are going to be putting completely. This is done, so therefore you all know how do we teach, what is the methodology that is adopted, how are our books, what you will be given along with the books, etc. Once our 2 chapters are done completely, then for each and every chapter we are going to be putting the first basic concept lecture. So for those students who cannot join us for XYZ reason, at least your concepts will be strong. These lectures will be the most up-to-date lectures that are there as per the latest ICA module. Apart from that, whichever extra questions we ever think that can be coming in exams, all those questions are also put. All the students of CA final, they already know that our content is taken from many foreign author books also. And in final CA, whatever we all do is head and tail of this complete subject. Same methodology we are going to be having for CA Inter also. As in CA final, even in CA Inter, this subject is going to be completely done by me. It is going to be one of those particular subjects that you are going to be falling in love with. Some students may want to know, sir, what kind of a book we will be given. So let me tell you. This book will be completely a colored book. Everything that is there in ICA modules is going to be there. Everything, each and every part that is there. In fact, we are going to be having lectures on MCQs which are there behind each and every chapter of the ICAI module. All those MCQs also we are going to be solving in class. There will be complete theory that will be done. Apart from that, there will be lectures on each and every problem. Below each and every question, we all have kept something that I call as shorts. These are shorter versions of your answer. अगर आप लोगों ने कोई एक सम किया, उस सम के अंदर आप लोगों ने क्या सीखा, that I have put in form of shorts. These things will help you to try to recap your entire subject on the last day in not more than 2 hours. क्योंकि हर एक क्वेश्चन के नीचे उसका एक समरी होगा. तो जो भी प्रॉब्लम हर एक क्वेश्चन के अंदर आया था, वट एवर लाइक स्टॉर्म्ड अप योर माइंड, ऑल दोज थिंग्स विल बी ओवर देयर. तो आपको अलग से कोई नोट्स की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. दिस इज अ फुल बुक कम अ कॉम्पैक्ट बुक. मोर ओवर, आई हैव पुट लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क फॉर यू ऑल. हर होमवर्क के साइड पे आई हैव ऑल्सो पुट अ क्लॉक. दैट इज आपका इतने टाइम के अंदर ये वाला क्वेश्चन हो जाना चाहिए. एग्जाम्पल, some question is there, I've put over there 9 minutes and 47 seconds. So therefore then that homework section question should be completed in 9 minutes and 47 seconds. In case you do not get the answer, then the complete answer will be there on our website www.ajnext.com in the download section. In case you still do not understand something, then our Telegram channel is always there. But these books are the most up-to-date and most unique books in costing that you all can ever get. It took me around a couple of years to be making and to reach this level of presentation and this level of simplicity. So ensure that you all take advantage of this. So what will be the format of each and every lecture? I'll tell you format of each and every question. I read a question. Then you all try a question. I give you a certain time to try. Use that time to try that particular question. And once your trying is over, then I solve it in class as if it has to be done for exams. So this will cover up 3 steps. Me reading the question, me telling you all to solve, and then you all solve, and then me solving the final part. This is done so that out of all the subjects, this is always one subject in which you can score the maximum by self-practice. Do self-practice the way that I'm going to be doing. It is you and me working together. automatically the results are going to be great. So what if we have any doubts? All the doubts are addressed through our Telegram channel, the link of which is there in the description below. So whenever you all have a doubt, please ask it to us. Within 24 hours, we will be giving you all the reply of that. Every day, we get more than 400 doubts of various subjects, of various levels, of various professors. We try to answer them within 24 hours. And that is what we all have done from past so much amount of time. So this is about your doubts, how they will be addressed. Do remember, if you are doing CA, it is very important that you learn to ask your doubts. Whenever you ask your doubts and we reply and then you all understand, you will remember that concept for a far longer time as compared to those concepts for which you had doubts but you never ever asked. So by doing this course of yours, how much can we expect in costing? Honestly, there have been lot of students who have got say 95, 96, 97 and 98 also. I can tell you, if you do adopt our methodology and you exactly do whatever I do in the class and you do whatever I tell you to do in the class, scoring 90 is going to be quite easy for you. In fact, if you do not like some other subjects, say a theory subject, then this is a subject that you can rely on to get you beyond 50%. That is the criteria for passing your CA exams. Okay, so this is one subject that you can trust blindly, that whatever we are going to be doing, you will be equipped to answer every question that can be asked in exams. Now, after watching the lecture on 21st of December on YouTube channel, if you think you want to be attending our live lectures, then this news is for you. We are going to be starting live lectures every day of costing from 22nd of December, 3:30 to 5:30, from Monday to Saturday. You only have to be paying rupees 2,360 till the time your CA foundation results are not out. Once your CA foundation results are out, we give you the complete book. Before that, we give you a black and white book. After that, we give you a complete colored book. That is going to be there with you all till end. So our batches start on 22nd of December from 3:30 to 5:30. 1 PM to 3 PM will be other subjects. For any information that you might require, please do call us on 8080324444. You can also visit our website www.ajnext.com. I promise you all for one thing, that this subject is going to be the best subjects out of the 8 subjects and will remain your favorite subject in CA final also, because this subject is all about earning money. This subject is all about learning perfect ways how to conduct your own business. This subject will make you very money minded, because that is whatever you require in real life and also in such kind of subjects. If you can think money, if you love money, then you love this particular subject. I'll see you all in the lectures now. Bye.